Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that can completely transform your smoothie making experience. Blenders. Now, I know what you're thinking. A blender is a blender, right? Nope. Not all blenders are created equal. Some struggle with frozen fruit. Some leave chunks no matter how long you blend. And others cost a fortune but don't last. That's why today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best smoothie blenders you can buy this year, ranked from good to absolutely must-have. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, a compact personal blender, or a high-powered machine that blends like a dream, I've got you covered. Stick around till the end, cause my number 1 pick is on another level. Let's get started. Number 5, Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender. This one is for the budget-conscious buyers who just want a simple blender for basic smoothies. If you don't need anything high-powered and just want something to get the job done, this is one of the most affordable choices out there. Now, let's talk specs. This blender comes with a 700-watt motor, which honestly is on the weaker side compared to the others on this list. It'll work fine for soft fruits, protein shakes, and light blending. But once you start adding frozen berries, ice, or nuts, you're gonna notice some struggle. One of the better things about it is the wave action system. Instead of blending everything unevenly like some budget blenders do, this design pulls ingredients down toward the blades, helping to create a more consistent texture. It also comes with a 40-ounce glass jar, which is a nice touch. Unlike plastic, glass doesn't stain, absorb odors, or scratch easily. Plus, it just feels more premium. Now, let's be real here. This blender isn't winning any awards for power or speed. You'll probably need to blend a little longer than usual, and maybe stop and stir things around if you're working with thicker ingredients. That being said, for the price, it's a solid option. If you're making simple smoothies, milkshakes, or protein drinks and you don't need anything fancy, this blender will get the job done. But if you're looking for something stronger and faster, keep watching. Number 4, Beast Mighty 850 Blender. This is where we start stepping up in power and performance. The Beast Mighty 850 is a sleek, modern blender that looks as good as it performs. With an 850-watt motor, this thing is noticeably more powerful than the Hamilton Beach. It's got stainless steel blades that are designed to cut through frozen fruit, leafy greens, and ice much more efficiently. One of my favorite things, the leak-resistant lid. If you love taking your smoothies on the go, this is a lifesaver. No more spills, no more mess. It also has a compact, minimalist design, and honestly, it looks amazing on any kitchen counter. Now, performance-wise, this blender is faster, smoother, and more efficient than budget models. Frozen ingredients? No problem. Ice? Blends it down easily. That being said, it's still a personal blender. If you're looking to make huge batches, this might not be the best pick. But if you want a powerful, stylish blender that's easy to clean and works great for daily smoothies, this is a fantastic choice. Number 3, NutriBullet Pro 900 Personal Blender. Alright, now we're getting into serious power. The NutriBullet Pro 900 is one of the best personal blenders on the market, and there's a reason why people love it. Let's talk specs. This blender comes with a 900-watt motor, and that might not sound like a big jump from the Beast Mighty, but trust me, you'll notice the difference. It easily handles frozen fruit, nuts, leafy greens, and seeds without slowing down. The extraction blades are designed to break down fibers and tough ingredients, which means smoother, more consistent blends every time. And the best part? The blending cups double as travel cups, so you can blend your smoothie and take it with you without dirtying extra dishes. Now, here's the thing. It's still a personal blender, meaning it's not great for large batches. If you're making smoothies for 1 or 2 people, it's perfect. But if you're trying to meal prep or make drinks for the whole family, you might want to keep watching. Number 2, Ninja Professional Plus Blender. Now, this is where things get serious. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender is all about power and versatility. And if you're tired of blenders that struggle with ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients, this one fixes all those problems. Here's what you're getting. A 1,200 watt motor, which is massively more powerful than any of the personal blenders on this list. It also has Ninja's total crushing blades, which means it doesn't just blend, it pulverizes ingredients in seconds. Ice? Gone in an instant. Frozen fruit? As smooth in no time. It also comes with a huge 72-ounce pitcher, which makes it perfect for large smoothies, meal prep, or even making soups and sauces. Another thing I love? The Auto IQ preset programs. Just press a button, and the blender automatically adjusts the speed and timing for the perfect blend. No guessing, no mistakes. So why isn't this number one? Well, it's powerful. It's not as durable as the top pick. The build quality is solid, but if you want something that'll last for years and years, you'll want to see my number one pick. And finally, my number one pick, Vitamix Ascent X5 blender. If you want the absolute best blender for smoothies, this is the Vitamix Ascent X5. Isn't just a blender, it's a high-performance machine that can handle anything you throw at it. First off, it's got a 1,600 watt motor. That's the most powerful blender on this list, and it makes a huge difference. It blends smoothies, nut butters, soups, frozen drinks, even dough, you name it, it can handle it. It also has a 10-speed variable control, which means you can customize your blend exactly how you want it. Want a chunky salsa? Done. Want an ultra-smooth green smoothie? No problem. One of my favorite things about this blender, the self-cleaning function. Just add warm water and a little dish soap and it cleans itself in under a minute. No scrubbing, no mess. And let's talk about durability. Vitamix blenders are known for lasting years, sometimes even decades, and the Ascent X5 is built to last. The stainless steel blades stay sharp no matter how often you use them, and the build quality is unmatched. Bottom line, if you're serious about blending and want the best of the best, this is the one to get. And there you have it. The top 5 best smoothie blenders you can buy this year. Whether you need a budget option, a personal blender, or the most powerful machine available, this list has something for everyone. Which blender is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest product reviews, kitchen essentials, and must-have gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.